This is the Schwinn IC4 indoor cycling bike, and Schwinn says it can give you a studio-quality spin class without the studio price tag. Sounds great, right? But after actually riding this thing day after day, early mornings, sweaty evenings, and everything in between, I realized there are a few things the marketing doesn't really talk about. Schwinn IC4 Indoor Cycling Product Overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? The IC4 is a belt-driven indoor cycling bike from Schwinn, a brand that's been around for a century and knows a thing or two about bikes. It launched as a more affordable alternative to smart bikes with built-in screens, and it's aimed squarely at home fitness enthusiasts who want flexibility. Instead of locking you into one subscription, the IC4 lets you connect to apps like Peloton, Zwift, and JRNY using Bluetooth. Key highlights include magnetic resistance, a solid steel frame, and full app compatibility, all at a price that undercuts most big-name smart bikes. Schwinn IC4 Indoor Cycling Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually feel to use? Honestly, this is where the Schwinn IC4 really shines. The magnetic resistance is smooth, quiet, and consistent. Whether you're doing a steady endurance ride or cranking up the resistance for a brutal hill climb, transitions feel clean and controlled, not jerky or noisy. I use this bike for everything, from 20-minute recovery rides to full-on HIIT spin classes, and it handled it all without breaking a sweat. The ride itself feels stable and grounded, even when you're out of the saddle and really pushing. There's no wobble, no sketchy flex, which gives you confidence to go hard. And because it's belt-driven, it's whisper quiet, perfect if you're working out in an apartment or early in the morning. That said, resistance changes are manual, not automatic, so you'll be reaching down to adjust the knob yourself. Features and tech. Let's talk about the features that actually matter. First up, Bluetooth connectivity. The IC4 can broadcast cadence, heart rate, and speed to popular fitness apps. That means you're not locked into one ecosystem. You can ride with Peloton one day, Zwift the next, and JRNY after that. That flexibility is huge if you don't want to feel trapped in a monthly subscription forever. Second, the dual-sided pedals. One side has SPD clips, and the other has toe cages. Translation: you can ride with cycling shoes or regular sneakers, which is great if multiple people in your household are using the bike. Third, the LCD console. It's basic, no touchscreen, but it shows everything you need: cadence, RPM, calories, heart rate, and resistance level. Pair it with a tablet or TV and you're good to go. Design and build. From a design standpoint, the Schwinn IC4 looks clean, modern, and purpose-built. The steel frame feels rock solid, and at around 112 pounds, it's heavy enough to stay planted, but still movable thanks to the front transport wheels. The seat and handlebars are fully adjustable, so dialing in a comfortable fit is easy, even if you're sharing the bike. The overall aesthetic is more gym equipment than luxury furniture, but that's not a bad thing. It feels durable, practical, and built to be used hard, not just looked at. Pros. Smooth, quiet magnetic resistance. Works with multiple fitness apps, no ecosystem lock-in. Dual-sided pedals for flexibility. Cons. Manual resistance instead of automatic. Console feels a bit basic for the price. Final verdict. So, who is the Schwinn IC4 actually for? Look, if you're someone who wants studio-style workouts at home without paying premium smart bike prices, this is an easy recommendation. It's reliable, smooth, quiet, and flexible, everything most people actually need. If you already own a tablet or TV and like the idea of choosing your own fitness apps, the IC4 makes a ton of sense. But if you want an all-in-one experience with automatic resistance and a massive built-in screen, you might be happier spending more on a fully integrated smart bike. But for value-focused riders, apartment dwellers, and anyone who hates being locked into subscriptions, the IC4 hits a sweet spot.